This is the ACS, or anti-collision system. It's used to prevent the Landroid from bumping into obstacles in your yard. In the box, you will find a quick start guide for easy installation, the ACS accessory, an Allen key, and screws to mount the ACS to your Landroid. Underneath the mower, you will find a port which gives you easy access to underneath the cover plate. Use a screwdriver to simply push the cover plate out and remove it. Inside the cover plate area, you will find two wires with connectors. At the end of the wires, there are two plastic pieces that need to be removed. These connectors are two different sizes, so it's easy to match them up. Just push the wires in until they feel secure. You might even hear a click. Use the screws and the Allen key provided to attach the ACS, and you're ready to go. Make sure you close the port underneath the mower when you finish installing the unit. ACS may still make slight contact with the obstacles it's avoiding.